How to fix Windows 11 product key not working error 0xc004f050. 1. Use some Windows 11 generic key only when you've disconnected your PC from the web. 2. Use command prompt to activate Windows. Run slmgr.bbs/ipk your key here command as admin. Like this. Restart your PC. Source, https://tech-community.microsoft.com/t5/windows-hyphen-insider-program/windows-pro/m-p/2669470. Windows 11 version upgrade, home to Pro. 3. Run slowly for tool.